Convert test cases into reusable modules to share common workflows across your tests. Here we have an existing test case with 4 recorded steps. In the right panel, toggle Template On and click Save to make this test case reusable. Now create a new test case. Click Add Template Case from the toolbar to insert a template. The template step is added instantly with all its actions. In the right panel, the parameters list shows every step inside the template along with their editable values. You can also add individual actions alongside templates. Open the Action List dialog and click the plus button to add any action as an extra step. SmartestQA supports team collaboration through comments. Type at symbol to mention a team member, write your message, and click Send. The comment appears with the timestamp, and the mentioned user is notified. Templates let you reuse common flows like login across multiple test cases, keeping your tests modular and easy to maintain. Make test automation this easy with SmartestQA and start scaling your projects faster than ever.